Hello, my name is Tyronne Martin. People call me Ty. I work for CEIN at UCSB. I work in the lab of Hunter Linehan, and we do ecotoxicology, or environmental ecotoxicology. I'm from Pasadena, California, and I've been working here for 2 years now. I look at algae and the impacts of industrial chemicals, things that are used for catalysis, things that are used for sunblocks like titanium dioxide, and how those may impact marine coastal algae, algal species, mainly single-cell algae. And what we do is we look at growth rates, we look at photosynthesis, we look at other physiological markers that can point towards toxicity. So I've been starting a new experiment where we're looking at, for the most part, like getting towards carbon cycle and how algae feed into the carbon cycle when they die or when they make these larger particles. And what we have been seeing is that nanoparticles can aggregate, change this. Hopefully, we can prove this, but change the particle size based on the native, like normal particle size, and versus in the presence of nanomaterials. And if that affects particle size, that can affect the density, the sinking rate, and things like that. If nanomaterials affect algae negatively, then that can affect food chains, food webs, carbon cycle overall. So it would potentially diminish or prevent other organisms from feeding on algae, or leading up to higher levels, trophic levels of toxicity. I'm a person who likes to work with things like, I want to see like the direct link between the science that I do and me, my family, the public, and the environment, and how we take care of those things. So that's what drives me. My favorite thing about being a researcher is, for one, people get to label you and call you a nerd, and I like that. I like to look like I'm smart. The second thing is I like to try to come up, like solve things, and I've always been like that since I was a kid. I wanted to know why we had to use soap.